I absolutely love Atlas speakers, and I wish we would have had them years ago. We use them for banquets, for fundraisers, for special other events, and they're used a lot. Every week they're used. We used to have to put up these big heavy speakers on stands every time we had an event, and it was so cumbersome and painful. And now with them in place, and they sound so wonderful that I can't say enough good about them. I love them. And we have some people here at Turner Hall that are music majors, and they think they're great. Our building is on the historical registry, state and federal, and so we were concerned about how they were going to look, if they were going to ruin the appearance of our building or anything, and oh, we just love them. They're invisible, you don't see them. I love them. I can't say enough good about them.